Hey, welcome. My name is Fabio Oric. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple way to make money with Amazon and also an alternative on TikTok. This is a free and a very easy way to do it. The process is easy, but you have to put in the work. And before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, where you're from, or your thoughts about the video, as I will go ahead and I will get back to you and reply. So the very first step is we're going to be promoting items of Amazon, and I'm going to give you another alternative where you can tap into it. So when you come here to Amazon.com, this website, if you scroll all the way down, you come here and you can see make money with us. And then there's a button where it says become an affiliate. Once we click here, it's going to bring us to this Amazon Associates page where we sign up over here. Right here, we on this button, sign up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to recommend Amazon products, which can be any product, and we're going to earn a commission. Okay, so step number one is you have to come to this page. The URL is up there, and you need to go ahead and sign up and go ahead and get this thing ready. Okay, and once you sign up in here, you can build a store inside and have the products that you want. Okay, now I know that a lot of people that are from other countries, some of them cannot promote products from Amazon. Therefore, I'm going to give you this other alternative, which is eprolo.com, and this is a free drop shipping platform. So what this platform will do is you can build yourself a store, so you can build a website and you can put these items that are here, and this company will ship it to you. Okay, so you can decide on how much you make if you go to this route. But in this route, you have to build yourself a store. But that's the only thing you have to do, because everything, they will ship it to you, and they'll do everything here. So first step, either you start with Amazon. I'm not going to walk through how to do this, but just follow what they say over here. Sign up and then follow along, and then you'll be able to create your links inside and to have your store and everything. Okay, and if you go this route right here, you need to go ahead and sign up, and you need to follow the instructions so you can choose the products where you're gonna have a store. Okay, so step number one is you go ahead and you do this so that you can have a product to promote and then earn money. That's what we're gonna do, and that's gonna be step number two that I'm gonna cover right now, which is we're gonna promote. Okay, so we're gonna promote on TikTok these products. Okay, and the way we're gonna do it, the first step we gotta do is we gotta create a TikTok account on your phone. If you don't know how to do this kind of thing, I would recommend you search on YouTube like how to create a TikTok account or how to use it. I have videos here on my YouTube channel on how to use TikTok, right? So you can go there and check it out. So you need to create a TikTok account, and then what you want to be doing is here on the search bar, you want to search for this, which is Amazon Finds. So I'm going to click any one of these, because what these people are doing is what you want to do, which is, let me show you. So let me tap into one of them. I'm just coming here to one of their accounts just to show you what they are doing, because that's exactly what you want to do. So basically what they're doing is they're putting videos, a video or two per day about the item. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, as you can see, this is a small video that this person got maybe from the Amazon. They have videos, you can download them. If you don't know how to download videos from Amazon, you can Google how to download Amazon videos or how to download YouTube videos. And as you can see, let's look another one over here. Okay, so right, so there's an issue with that, and this item does something. Okay, I don't get that one, but anyways. Okay, so let's look at another example here. Okay, this is a vacuum cleaner. So as you can see, it's on fast pace, and on TikTok, you have an ability to make the videos go faster. It's just videos about the items itself. And now for you to make these videos, maybe you need an editing software to do this. Once you download the video, then you want to just, edit the video and make it as mobile, the size and everything. Or just download the video into your mobile, and then once you upload it, you can cut things there on TikTok and adjust the way you like it. So basically what these people do is they do videos on the product itself, and then what they do is they have a page over here on the link where you can add, see, links for products. These are the products that this person is showing, and once we click over here and then we open, and there we go, it has a couple of links. If you click this one, everything on Amazon, as you can see up here, the Amazon URL, the link, it's the Amazon store with the person's name on it. And on this store, it's the person's store, and she can have anything she wants there, or him. Okay, so basically you could do this as well. You when on the first step, when you sign up here to become an affiliate, you can build a store here on Amazon and be able to have a store just like this with your name. And when people buy from these links over here, any of them, and you can customize this, then you are making a commission. Okay, so the link that you add over here on your TikTok account, it can be to an Amazon store that you build over here, right? Or it can be a store you build yourself, utilizing this tool right here. They will drop shipping for you. Therefore, you don't have to take care of customer service. You don't have to care. No, customer service you have to care if you build the store yourself. But the shipping and everything the company will do for you. So there's not a lot of work from your end on shipping and all that stuff. They're gonna do it all for you. But of course, if you go this route, you need to take care of customer support. But as if you go with Amazon, they will do it all for you. Although this route right here, you might make more money because you can decide how much you make on each item. Okay, so let's look at another example. I'm gonna come here to Amazon Finds. Okay, Amazon Finds 47. So this person looks like they just got started, and this person is a great example of what we want to do. We can click on the image. Here's some cute earrings of chain, and then there we go, just pictures of the items. So you don't have to, if you don't know how to build a video, in TikTok you can just add the images, and you would do with images. So as you can see, these videos get 17K views, so they get a lot of traffic, and they're just images. So this is very easy to do on TikTok. This is, LEDs. So whatever item you want to choose to promote, basically you make a small video and you on TikTok, and that's it. And then over here, as you can see, the link will lead, this is exactly what you want to be doing, will lead the person to the Amazon store. In this case, this person brought into the wish list, which is just the items that they're showing on Amazon. You can be doing this as well. So what you want to be doing is post 2 videos a day. I would say at least 1 per day with items you have it on your store, and then you have the link over here for them to go ahead and buy it. Now, in some countries, you cannot add the link before you get 1,000 followers. In USA, I believe you can, and some other countries, but you need to get 1,000 followers. Doing this type of video, that's gonna actually be easy, because these videos tend to go viral really well, because people like to see items on items out there, and just it intrigues them. They want to know what it is. And let me show you some other examples of what people are doing. Okay, here's another person doing the same thing. As you can see, the videos are very simple. And if you can find those hot items that are really cool and nobody has seen before, people really get intrigued, and your videos will get loads of traffic. There we go. As you can see, what's the color? People ask, what color would you like to see next? What color? And people get replies here. So these videos do get a lot of traffic, a lot of traction. So as you can see, Amazon bestsellers, Amazon favorites, and then just, you know, a video of the item right there. It works really well and it gets a lot of traffic because TikTok is really, really powerful to get a lot of traffic really fast. And then again, they have the link over here, which leads them to the store on Amazon so people can go and buy and you are making a profit. So this is the process, okay? The process is simple. You sign up here, you go through this, or you build yourself a store with this program. Then you create yourself a TikTok account. You post videos, one video or 2 or 3 per day about items that you are listing on on your Amazon store. You add your link over there and then you just keep putting content every day. And a lot of people, because on your videos, on the description and everything, you want to be saying that they can buy on your bio, but a lot of people will notice right away. You can say, find the item on my bio link. So for instance, this person, link in profile, okay, as you can see. So at the end of your videos, you want to add link in profile so that people go to your link and they buy from your link. So on each of and every video you do, you want to make sure you do that. Now note that you don't have to have the items yourself to do this. Basically, there's the videos for the items are all on the internet. You simply want to go there and find it and download it into your computer or phone. For instance, if you want to download any video from YouTube, what you do is you come over here, whatever video you are watching, and right here on YouTube, where it says after the E, just add PP, and then you press enter, and it will bring you to this page where you can go ahead and download the video right here to your phone, right? You can do it from your phone or laptop and then add it to TikTok. So you could be able to do these type of videos, okay? And again, even if you don't know how to do videos, you can definitely do with images, although videos are get more views, but images do get views as well. So as you can see, basically this is what you want to do. Amazon favorites, and show items. The videos go viral, you get loads of traffic, and some people will go ahead and buy. And if you keep doing this long term, you absolutely can make a killing doing this. And you can have even multiple accounts doing this. And you can make so much money doing this. And if you put a lot of effort just on one account, you can do really well. You just have to be consistent and put in the work. Because nothing in life comes easy. You have to put in the work, you have to and decide to do just this and only this, because the man who chases 2 rabbits catches none. So, you know, much focus, keep at it, and yeah, this is a great solution to make money as an affiliate without anything, with no money to start, zero, and it's very easy to do. Of course, it requires some effort to get all going, but once it's going and once you're learning, as you're doing, in the beginning it's going to be hard. Your video is not going to be that good, but that's okay. Just keep at it, just keep improving, and then eventually you will start earning and making good profit from this strategy. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much. Below, I'm going to leave 2 ways to make money online. One is with Builderall, and the other one is with Legendary, more of a educational kind of product where you're going to learn skills so you can make $1,000 commissions. Note that all of these links it's an affiliate link. I make a commission when you buy these products. So just want to put this out there. So yeah, I do make commissions when you buy through my link, although you don't pay nothing more for these products. The price is always the same, but I get a cut of it. Okay, so there we go. The links will be below. Have a blessed day. Always believe in yourself. Stay great, stay blessed, and I will see you next time.